Happy birthday, Solo. Ring, ring. Hi.
Naku, wala siyang ration cover. Isa pa. Hi! Alright. Charlie! Charlie! Besta! Nagpapasalamat siya. You're welcome naman, sabi ni Jowie. Popo, ano yung pangalawa? Kumukuti-kuti ka at kumukuti. Yan, Popo!
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now.
Nahiya pa ako, guys. Long time na vlog tayo, guys. Hi guys! Hi guys! We're going to go inside here at the Aqua Planet. Yes! Woo! Bye-bye! See you later! Nag-wait tayo ng food ngayon. Sobrang bagal nga eh. 25 minutes daw po. So, nandito kami ngayon sa cafeteria nila. Ayan guys. Gutom na po kami guys. Tingnan natin yung food natin. Guys, di pa dumarating yung order namin. So, bumili kami ng ice cream because so hot dito guys. Si Rin ay chocolate ice cream and iced coffee dun sa. Dumating na yung food namin guys. Hello! Hi! Finally, makakakain na kami guys. Tingnan niyo po yung food natin. Nag-order ako ng adobo and chicken set. And this is hamburger steak. We're going to eat now. Yes! Finally! Let's eat guys! Go! Go! Doko? Chika? Go! Hi guys! Ito yung first pool namin guys! Ang ganda guys! Enjoy yung mga bata! Enjoy kami po! Yay! Woo! 1, 2, 3!
Keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart, yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart, yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah,
Nakapagod guys. Pwede kayong mag-wear ng rash guard, pwede ring hindi. Parang free lang yung yung clothes dito guys, kahit ano. Yun. Tapos hindi kayo pwedeng magdala ng bottle, yung inumin or beverages or food. Dapat dito kayo bibili guys using your credit card or yung cash. Pero yung cash, dapat i-load din muna dun sa dito sa wristband. At kapag na-lose nyo to guys, you have to pay 300 guys.
Hi guys! Hi! Duga.
Ay, nakakapagod guys. Ang dami namin sinakyan. Ang daming slide guys. Sobra nakakatakot. Guys, don't forget yung price, no? Per person ay adult is 1,150, okay? And then for child naman po ay walk-in below for 48 inches daw below ay 950 pesos. Okay guys? Check your price first before going. Bye-bye guys!